Hi guys, Becki-licious here. Trying something a little bit different this time around, okay? Got in my book, found this recipe I've been dying to try. It is called Whiskey Glazed Chicken and Shrimp with garlic mashed potatoes. It's to die for. So let me know what you guys think of this new little thing that we're trying out. And don't forget to like and subscribe and share with all your friends. And click on that link tree. All right.
All right, we've got our chicken and our shrimp, and we've got the egg batter and the panko breadcrumbs, and we're ready to throw them in the pan. Oh, they're frying up so nice. Looking good, looking good. Now the shrimp, look at that panko breadcrumbs. Here's our potatoes. Now we got to start up our glaze, getting that all mixed up. Pour it in the pan, stirring it all up, and now it's time for the best part. Got to put in the Jack Daniels. Mashing up those potatoes. It's a little difficult, but we got it. Oh, doesn't it look so good? Putting that stuff in the glaze and getting it all ready to go. Let's start plating up. Oh, yes, yes. Look at that. Looking good, and it tastes absolutely amazing. So thanks, you guys, for joining me. Can't wait to see you next time.